Hey guys, what's going on? Back with another Disney Collect video. I am gonna open some packs for the new Disney movie called Raya, The Last Dragon. It's new in the store, probably came maybe 2 days ago, I would say. So I'm gonna open just the standard packs. Sometimes they have it where you spend more coins and then you can get greater chances or greater cards guaranteed. So 4,000, I'm gonna probably open like maybe 20 packs. Should go down to like maybe 320,000 coins. Or unless, like I always say, unless I start seeing a lot of duplicates or something. Velocities, I'm just gonna go with that name. Mowgli and Tiana Blue Parallel, and got the first card. I'm just gonna say it's probably what they call a acetate card. I have to go back and look at it because it's clear, you can see through it. In the real world of card collecting, that's called like acetate or so it's Raya the Last Dragon debut collection die cut. Oh, they're calling it a die cut, but since it's kind of like see-through, I would call it more like an acetate. I don't know if that's like a copyrighted name or owned by a manufacturer, but when you have a clear card that you can see through, it is more likely an acetate card. But a lot of names like Velcro, maybe acetate is a copyrighted name trademarked by a certain company. I don't know. Just kind of thinking that at the time. Oh, good. So I got another one. Actually, there's two cards on top of each other, it looks like. So here's another like acetate. Like I said, you can kind of see through it. So that's what I would call like a clear plastic acetate card in the real world of collecting. Dion, Lightning McQueen, Red Parallel, and Flynn Rider. Pack 3. Baby Tuk Tuk, that's pretty cool. Looks like it's an armadillo. Awesome, never seen anything like that before. That's pretty cool. Rapunzel and Cheshire Cat and Rex from Toy Story Green Parallels. What was I gonna check? So uncommon character rare. Oh, I wanted to look at the odds if I don't mess this up. So you can get tier 5, you can get tier 4. So you get a lot of chances. I mean, for 4,000, usually they cost like 2,000. So that would make sense that they would give you a greater chance of getting some good ones if you're spending more. John Smith, Little John Red Parallel, and another Raya, The Last Dragon Angus. I'm going to screenshot that. And another one, Sisu, human form, I guess. Oh yeah, she's the dragon that isn't the trailer. Pretty cool. Again, I would call it more like an acetate, but acetate might be not necessarily a die cut, but acetate might be like a trademark copyrighted name or something like that. Merida, Bone, or Bound. Looks like Peter Pan, but it's not. Prince Charming and Phineas White parallels. Let's see. Johnny, Tong, Jack, and Void. Next pack. Duplicate Bone. Duplicates aren't that bad. I can always use them for trades and other stuff. Buck again. Donald Duck Red Parallel. Tier 3 Red. Eeyore, Basil, Benja, pretty cool, and the Mad Hatter. Pretty cool, Wasabi. Is that a magenta? I guess I'll call it like a magenta. Well, it'll tell me at the end. I think they're calling that purple, but I think it's a magenta. Sisu again, Thomas O'Malley, and Buzz Lightyear. So it should tell me purple. Okay, yeah, they're calling that purple. So I think I got a couple more before I hit number 10. Giggles McDimples. Huh, that's pretty awesome. Lilo, Fred, Noi. Pretty cool. Another die cut. And I don't think I've gotten a scene card yet. Snow White. That's pretty cool. Snow White. Swishy Scribbles red. Noi again. And Trixie Green Parallel from Toy Story. Basil, blue. Buzz Lightyear, red. Prince Charming, red. Sisu again. So I passed the 10 mark, so I got maybe another 10. See how that goes. Flynn, Ryder, Wart, Maleficent, and Pan. You know what's funny? I wonder if Disney uses pays homage or little Easter eggs for their older cartoons. Like I said, the other guy looked like Peter Pan, and this monkey's name, or I'm guessing he's a monkey or a chimp of something, is name is Pan. Wonder if the story is kind of like a new telling of Peter Pan. If you kind of like piece the clues together or something like that. I know it has to do with dragons. Wonder if it'll be set in like the Peter Pan world or something like that. Too many clues. Remy Green, Skipper Riley, Trixie, Young Raya. Oh, that's pretty cool. I really like that one. It looks awesome. So definitely getting some new cards. So that's always good to always say like I don't mind spending extra coins to get some really nice cards. Laurel Lightfoot, Bowen again, and Gurgi, all white parallels, plus the die cut. Tuk Tuk. Is that a scene one? I have to say. No, that wouldn't be really a scene, I don't think. That's more like a character card. Terry. Young Namari. She looks upset. And Destiny. Let's see what that is. Die cut. Character card. Okay, so it is a character card. That would make sense. I'll do a recap after this to see what I have and need. I don't want to look at them ahead of time because I want to be surprised. Young Raya, Void, Rex, and Blue Parallel, White Rabbit. Look at his eyes, man. The hidden messages in cartoons back then. Jasmine, Piglet Green, Sisu again, and Heimlich. Coda, Li Shang, and Sully Green Parallel. Pan again. And I'd say probably have maybe 2 left. Mowgli, Shere Khan, Quasimodo, and a new die cut of Tuk Tuk. Piglet, green. Sheriff of Nottingham, red. John Smith. And Susu in the dragon form. I might keep going because I'm getting a lot of new cards, so I'll maybe do a couple more. Like I always say, I don't mind keep going if Tamatoa, Tuk Tuk, Ferb, and Pan. Well, I'll probably jinx myself now. Maui, Lemaire, Mrs. Potts, Noi. Maybe I go down to 300,000. Barley Lightfoot, Dr. Heinz Doofenshmirtz, Rapunzel, and Benja. The Beast, green. Iago, red. Uka, die cut. Rex, green. And one more. I think this would be technically a 25 pack. 25 card opening, pack opening. Tuk Tuk, Rapunzel, White Rabbit, Tong and Noi. Pretty cute. Let me see. Maybe I'll keep going. I mean, it's doing pretty well. Tong and Noi, Flounder, Nick Wild, Mickey Mouse, Tier 4 blue. Do maybe 5 more, call it a 30 pack opening. Perry. Maid Marian red. Oh, and I messed up the last one. I have to do the math, but I'm pretty sure it's about a 30 pack opening. Bo Peep, the Mad Hatter, Crunkle Stan, Tuk Tuk, Raya. Is that a new one? That is a new one, isn't it? Elastigirl, Benja, PT Flea. I love when they take inspiration from real life. That's supposed to be P.T. Barnum, I guess. Johnny, Benja, Anna, Moana. You know, I think this will be the last one. I'm just going to call it like a 30 pack opening. Randall, Piglet, Noi, Violet. Alright, I'll end it here. Actually, let me just do a quick recap to see what I've gotten. So, no card scenes, which is unfortunate because I opened a lot. Did get some character cards, so that's cool. mean, it is worth going if you want to get the bonus. I mean, you have 30 days. Oops. And the die cuts, got a lot of those. So I got 13. What was it? 13. Well, it's probably going to freeze up, so I'm going to end it here. I think I got like 17 altogether. See you guys later.